In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password of Openart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reset your password securely and get back into your account without any hassle. First, open your web browser and head to the Openart website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and select Login. This brings up the Sign In window. If you can't remember your current password, click the Forgot Password link. That's the quickest way to start a secure reset. You'll be asked for the email address associated with your Openart account. Type it carefully, double check for typos, and make sure it's the same address you used when you signed up. When you're ready, click Send Password Reset Code. Keep this browser tab open. You'll come back to it in a moment. Now, open your email inbox such as Gmail, Outlook, or whichever provider you use. Look for a new message from Openart containing your verification code. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder, as well as promotions or updates tabs. These codes are time limited, so it's best to grab it as soon as it arrives. If the message never shows up, return to the site and request a new code. Switch back to the Openart tab and enter the verification code exactly as it appears in your email. Next, you'll create your new password. Choose something strong and unique. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details or passwords you use elsewhere. A password manager can help you generate and store a secure option you won't forget. In the Confirm Password field, retype the exact same password. This prevents typos and ensures both entries match. Before you proceed, quickly check that caps lock isn't on and that you didn't accidentally add extra spaces at the beginning or end. When everything looks good, click Confirm and sign in. If the verification code was correct and both password fields match, you'll be signed in with your new password. If you see an error, recheck the code, confirm the email is correct, and make sure the two password entries are identical. Request a fresh code if yours may have expired. One quick note: if you usually sign in with a third-party option like Google or Apple, you'll typically manage that password through your provider, not directly within Openart. That's it. You've successfully changed your Openart password. Consider updating any saved passwords in your browser or password manager so future logins are seamless.